is the city. Los Angeles, California. Some people rob for pleasure. Some people because it's there. My name's Friday, I'm a cop. What we have here is an incinerator that doesn't work. It hums when I turn the power on. I've already reset the button. So now what I'm looking for is the Allen wrench that supposedly came with this. So I'm going to have to try to find a similar Allen wrench to try to hopefully help my situation. So let's wait a minute. Ooh, that fits. Okay, so, oh, we got it. Oh, praise the Lord. Isn't that awesome? That's how you fix your garbage disposal. You get the Allen wrench and you fit it in there, and then you just move it in there. So what size is this one? It doesn't tell you. Well, it's the biggest one. I got one of these. So this is the biggest Allen wrench on there. Okay, now the thing is that you got to remove the Allen wrench before you turn the thing on again. So let's run some water. Oh, goodness gracious. Run some water. And woo! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What do we got? Uh-oh. I think I feel like a young teenager may have been involved in this. Oh, goodness gracious. Let's try it again. Oh, my God. Oh, what's going on here? This sucker is supposed to move freely. Hopefully that'll work. Alright, so far so good. We have freed the debris from the garbage disposal. So that's the tip. So when there's something caught in your garbage disposal, you need one of these. You need an Allen wrench to get up underneath. Get up underneath here and move it thusly. That way the thing moves the obstruction out of the way and then hopefully subsequently chops it up in the process when the thing is free. So I think we may have solved our problem. So this has been how to unseize your garbage disposal. Thank you so much for watching.
This is the city. Los Angeles, California. Some people rob for pleasure. Some rob because it's there. You never know. My name's Friday. I'm a cop. I was working the day watch out of robbery when I got a call from the Acme School Bell Company. There'd been a robbery.
There's been a robbery.
Yes, sir? What was it?
My clappers.